My persuasive speech script topic is pro-stem cell research. Stem cells are a kind of non-specialized cell that can potentially create other particular cells like brain, blood, muscle, or tissue cells. Stem cells are present in our body in an abundance, but they have much more potential in the fetus than in adults. I am pro-stem cell research for many reasons. One reason I am pro-stem cell research is because stem cells are helpful in potentially treating problems like repairing and replacing damaged organs, helping to stop birth defects, finding a cure for Parkinson's disease, spinal cord injuries, and Alzheimer's disease. If people get the treatment they need for these diseases, it will be beneficial for them as well as for society. Another reason I am pro-stem cell research is because they may also provide a cure for many kinds of cancers because it will enable the doctors to take out the organs affected by such diseases and use the stem cells of the patients themselves to regrow the organs. Organs that can be regrown are the pancreas, liver, along with many others. Some scientists believe that with stem cell research, hundreds if not thousands of patients' lives are prolonged, making this the greatest medical science breakthrough and discovery since antibiotics. Even with the discarded cells, they can be used by researchers to study more about cell properties, structure, and growth. This way, they will understand better how cells function and will be able to apply these researches in finding other ways to cure diseases in the future. Stem cell research is bringing us closer to finding out the cure for diseases that have taken millions of lives, such as people suffering from heart disease, strokes, and type 1 diabetes. As I stated before, Parkinson's disease and Alzheimer's disease, along with birth defects, spinal cord injuries, the replacement or repair of damaged organs, a reduced risk of transplantation, which means you could eventually possibly get a copy of your own heart in a heart transplantation in the future. Better treatment of these diseases could also give significant social benefits for individuals and economic gains for society. The rhetorical element I used in my speech was soapstone. The speaker is myself. The occasion is my persuasive speech script. I was given a topic to research and I had to find out what my topic was because I didn't have much knowledge in the beginning. And then I put what I learned into writing. The audience is you, my professor, classmates, or anyone else that reads this. The purpose behind the text is to inform my audience about what pro-stem cell research is and the steps to achieve it, and all the experiments it took to find out what we could accomplish with this life-changing aspect. My subject is pro-stem cell research. My tone is informative and interested in the topic that I did my research on. One rhetorical device I used while writing my speech was distincto, which means to elaborate on the definition of a word to make sure that there is no misunderstanding. I used this device in the first sentence when I said, stem cells are a kind of non-specialized cell that can potentially create other particular cells like brain, blood, muscle, or tissue cells. I also used enumeratio while supplying a list of details about pro-stem cell research and other diseases. In addition, I used logos, logic, to argue my stance on pro-stem cell research.